Alright, real quick, we've got some exponent practice, and then we use logarithms. So we'll just do both problems real quick. So the first one was x squared r to the negative 4 t to the fifth to the 1/2 over x to the 3/2 r to the negative 7/3. So in the numerator, I'll distribute that exponent in, since everything is connected by multiplication. So I'll get, well, x to the 1/2 times 2 is just x to the first. So r to the negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 2. And then 5 times 1/2 is 5/2, so t to the 5/2. And on the bottom, x to the 3/2, r to the negative 7/3. My next rewrite, I'll just take care of the negative exponent, so piece by piece. X stays on top, r to the negative 2 goes below r squared, t to the 5/2 stays on top, x to the 3/2 stays on bottom, and r to the negative 7/3 moves up top to 7/3. Okay, in the numerator, nothing to combine. In the denominator, nothing to combine. So I've got x to the first in the numerator. I see that there are more in the denominator. So if you think you got like x to the 3/2 minus 1 down here. So that takes care of our x's. So let's say, okay, we're done with those. T to the 5/2 will stay. It's the only thing with t in it. Okay, 7/3. I think r to the 7/3 versus r squared. Well, 7/3 is more than 2. So we'll keep everything on top. So r to the 7/3 minus 2. One more simplification. We have our t to the 5/2. R, well, 2 in terms of thirds is, what do we got, 6/3? So 7/3 minus 6/3 is 1/3. And on the bottom, 3/2 minus 1, 1 is 2/2. So 3/2 minus 2/2 is 1/2. So there's our final answer. Okay, last problem was a problem where we used logarithms to solve. Started out 1,000 times 0.4 to the x equals 80. I'm going to start by dividing both sides by 1,000. Okay, so 0.4 to the x equals, got 8 over 100. Okay, I'll turn both sides into base 10. I don't have my calculator. So 10 to the log of 0.4 to the x equals 10 to the log of 8 over 100. Okay, now that both sides have the same base, we know that their exponents are equal. So we know that x log 0.4 equals log of, well, I can reduce that fraction, right? 8 over 100 is 4 over 50 is 2 over 25. So x equals log 2/25 divided by log of 0.4. So I don't have my calculator, so that's just how I'm going to leave my answer. And we're done.